Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you how to use pineapple to reduce weight. This thing works so well and is a morning drink. So if you want to reduce weight, reduce that belly fat, just keep on watching. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video.
So the very first thing we need for this morning weight loss drink is our pineapple. So I'm gonna cut the pineapple because what I need is just 1 cup of pineapple. So I'm gonna cut the amount I need. I need only just 1 cup of pineapple. Please, if you want to use your pineapple juice, 100% pineapple juice, you can go ahead and use it, but don't use tin frozen pineapple. I don't recommend that. You can go ahead and use your fresh pineapple, okay?
100% juice of pineapple is better than tin pineapple because you don't even know what they use to preserve it. So I don't really recommend tin pineapple. So juice fresh, make everything to be fresh.
So this is 1 cup of pineapple. Pineapple is low in calories and refined carbs. It has bromelain, which aids in weight loss, fat reduction, and reduces bloating and digestion. Also a good source of fiber and helps reduce appetite. When you use your pineapple, it will make you not to eat. It will make you to just, in fact, it will just reduce the appetite. It will make you to be full. By doing that, you'll be losing a lot of weight. So this is the first thing we need for in this recipe. So I'm gonna add the pineapple inside the blender.
Pineapple works so well when it comes to weight loss. If you have not tried using pineapple to just reduce weight, just try it and you come back and say thank you.
So the next I'm gonna add is my apple cider vinegar. You can go ahead and use the mother apple cider vinegar. For me, it's all the same thing, and I've used that one, I use this one, it's all the same thing. But make sure it's the organic apple cider vinegar when you want to use it. So I'm using this one. I bought this one from the shop, so it's all the same thing. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends, to your loved ones. Please just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.
So the work of this apple cider vinegar in this recipe, this apple cider vinegar will make you not to eat. It will still reduce your appetite and make you to be full, and by doing that you'll be shedding a lot of weight. Okay, so the next thing we are going to add in this recipe is our honey. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Make sure you use your organic honey, okay?
This morning drink works so well. If you want to reduce weight, if you want to just keep in shape, just go ahead and make your own drink. Pineapple works so well when it comes to weight loss. Even apple cider vinegar. Mixing all together is, honestly, is not a joke. It will work so well.
Just 1 tablespoon of honey. That's what you just drink in the morning.
Forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends, to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.
Honey is a cholesterol fat and is sodium free. It increases body metabolism and helps burn fat and control your appetite. Honey still control appetite, guys. So all these things I'm adding in this recipe is something that will control your appetite and make you not to eat. But pineapple controls your appetite, apple cider vinegar controls your appetite, and honey too controls. So these 3 things that you just use and it will control your appetite and make you not to eat, okay? So the next thing we are going to add is our 1/2 cup of water. I'll just add 1/2 cup of water. I'll blend. guys, I'm gonna add stretch the cup. I call this drink magical fat burner. It will just burn that stubborn fat that doesn't want to go down. This magical fat burning drink is ready, guys. Is ready to just, you know, bring down that stubborn fat that doesn't want to go, as in that stubborn belly fat that don't want. Just drink this after your breakfast. It will keep your digestion on track, debloat your stomach, and speed up the fat burning process. It's just, you know, bring out all those things, you know, and take you straight to the restroom. This drink, guys, works so well, and after a few days you will start noticing the reduction in your waistline. This drink is safe for all, so go ahead and make your drink. So this is the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Bye bye, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.